Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's Viva topic is methods in Java. So let us first discuss what we are going to cover in our today's topic. So first of all, we will we will see what is methods in Java. Then we will see the types of methods used in Java, and then at last we will see the the explanations of the methods. So first of all, let us discuss what is methods in Java. So basically, method method is a block which contain a set of instruction, which contain a set of that perform a specific task. So let us see the types of uh, methods. So basically there are uh, 4 to 5 types of methods. As of now, let us see user defined method and predefined method. So predefined method is a method which is stored in the Java library, which it can be used by simply calling them. Example of the predefined method is length method, method clone method, compare method, equal method. The next method is user defined method. This method this method is created by the user as per the requirement, and it can be modified, means its instructions can be modified and it can be called according to the uh, user. So this is called as user defined method. Now the other types of methods are static method, instance method, and abstract method. So let us discuss first what is static method. The static method is a method which is created by delivering the static keyword in the delivering the static method to the method. So as we use the static keyword for memory allocation, it can be called directly in the next main method. We do not have to create an object of that met- static method. It can be directly accessible to any class. So this is about static method. Then the instance method. The method of class is known as instance method. Instance method is a non-static method. Instance method, before calling the instance method, it is necessary to create the object of the uh, instance method. Then the next one is abstract method. So basically abstract method is a method which do not which do not contain the body which do not contain the body or the instructions. It is simply uh, a method which can be achieved by delivering the abstract keyword. To implement this method, we have to make the class as abstract class. So by using this we abstract keyword, we can create the abstract method and uh, create the abstract method and access in the access to the another class where we have to execute the body of the abstract method. So this is called as abstract method. So these are the types of uh, methods used in Java. These are the types of methods used in Java. Thank you.